So probability you have studied in grade 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and now you are studying in grade 12. Okay. So probability is what possibility of occurrence of any event. Probability is possibility of occurrence of an event of an event. That is probability. And probability is always between 0 and 1. Probability of occurrence of an event is always between 0 and 1. It can never be negative and it can never exceed 1. Okay. So it is always either 0 and 1 whole number or a proper fraction
Proper fraction.
less than 1. Between 0 and 1, less than 1 and greater than 0. Okay.
Okay.
So PE naught. If P is the probability of occurrence of an event, probability of occurrence of an event, then PE naught is probability of not occurring event, of not
Not
occurring
occurring event.
the event. Okay. And PE naught is 1 minus PE. These are the basic things. You already studied these things. Here in grade 12, we'll study in your syllabus, modified syllabus. You have to study conditional event, independent event, Third thing, the most important thing is Bayes theorem. And before that, theorem of total probability also. Theorem of total probability. And Bayes theorem. These are into your syllabus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So starting with conditional event. Conditional event. When probability of occurrence of an event, say A, while B has already occurred. Probability of occurrence of event A, while B has already occurred. Yes, such type of event is called conditional event.
Okay.
And this is equal to PA by B equals to PA intersection B over PB. What is PA? What is intersection? Do you know that?
When I remember 1 minute, sir. So parts of A coincide with B, like
Yeah, we take common things.
yeah, the common
Take
between
common.
A and B.
Yes. So PA intersection B over PB.
Yes,
This is the formula for PA by B. Okay. Now we can also write PB over A is PA intersection B divided by PA. And from these two formula, we can also write PA intersection B equals to PA over B into PB, or we can also write PB over A into PA. Okay.
Mm.
This is called conditional event. So first exercise is all about conditional event. So we will start doing exercise. We will start doing questions now, and then we will study independent event, theorem of total probability, and base theorem one by one. Okay, since we have to study, we have to do questions related to conditional events. So we will just move to the questions now. So just a minute. Hmm. First question is, given that E and F are events such that PE equals to 0.6 and PF is 0.3 and PE intersection F is 0.2. We have to find PE over F and PF over E.
Okay.
This is the question. We have to find PE over F and PF over E. So we just need to apply into the formula. So PE over F, PE by F equals to PE intersection F over PF. So PE intersection F is 0.2 and PF is 0.3. So answer comes to 2 over 3. PF over E, PF by E equals to PE intersection F over PE.
Yeah.
Okay, F to remember.
So you'll get again.
E. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 0.2 and PE is 0.6. That comes to 1 over 3. These two are answers.
Not
so,
equal.
1.
Yeah.
In the similar way, you can find question 2, question 3. What is the formula for PA union B? In question 3. Question 3.
PA union B.
Yes. You studied in class 10.
Yes, I'm
but
trying
you
to
do not
remember.
remember.
Yes, I'm trying to remember.
This is the formula for PA union B. Okay, you need to use that in third part.
Okay. So just adding it, right, sir? Adding
No, that's not being added. PA plus PB minus PA intersection B.
Okay.
You first need to find PA intersection B in first case. How will you find that? Which formula you will apply to find PA intersection B?
I don't remember, sir.
Why don't you remember? I just have given you, na?
Yeah?
This one. I just had given you the formula.
Oh. No, sir, can you go back up once?
This one.
Okay.
So PA intersection B is P, what's given? PB over A given. PB over A over B is given.
A over B into
B over A. Okay. So PB over A into PA.
So how do you know which will come? Sir, will be B over A or A over B? Like, how do you know that?
I don't know from somewhere. I just know from the question itself. It's been given in the question. P over A given in the question. That's why we have taken PB over A.
Okay, so you just have to
It has
you
been
have to
given.
check the question every time when you're doing it, right, sir?
Yes,
Okay.
you need to check it first. Check the
So we
question in.
always be wary of checking the question then doing that. Okay.
Question number 6 to 9, we have PE over U. We need to find PE over F. So doing question number 7 and then 9.
Coin toss.
Question number 7. Two coins are tossed once where E tail appears on one coin. F is one coin shows head. Okay. So E event, E tail appears on one coin. Tail appears on one coin. So T, H, T, T. That's it.
There'll be more, right? So HT and then HH.
T appears on one coin. And F is
Ooh, so what
one
about
coin shows head. Yes, Mr. David.
no, sir? I got it. I got it.
Tail appears on just one coin,
So HT.
on one coin.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
So
then
now
no
E
tail appears means-
intersection F. Find E intersection F. That is TH and HT. TH and HT. So we need to find PE by F. That will be PE intersection F over PF. PE intersection F is, what is PE intersection F? This is
PH.
2 over 36. How did we get it? If 2
If you
over 2 over
toss
4.
two-
Sir. 2 over 4.
So if you
2 over
toss
4.
2 coins at a time, you will have 4.
4. 2 over 4. It's not dice, it's coin.
Yes, sir.
So 2 over 4. So 2 over 4 divided by PF. PF is also 2 over 4. That comes to 1. Okay,
Yes.
in second case, no tail appears. Means
Only one
all
is there now. HH.
So PE is 1 over 4.
4. Yes, sir.
And
It'll be the
E
same with
intersection
PF
F.
also, no, sir.
E intersection, yeah, I understand. We do not need that. That's why we did not.
So then it'll be 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4.
PE intersection F. No head, no tail.
So then
No tail appears, no head appears. No common, so 0.
so
So
yes.
quality of P F by E will be 0 over PE. So this will be 0.
0.
Check your answer from backside,
Check
and
this
we
out.
are going to proceed. The next question number 9, we will be doing.
Yes, that's correct.
Mother, father, and son line up at random for a family picture. E event is son on one end and father in the middle. So we first find the sample space, that is
So you get and
SMF,
yes, sir. And then
SFM, FSM,
yes,
FMS,
yeah,
MFS,
yeah,
MSF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Mother, father, son can be lined up with factorial 3 ways. So total number of ways they can line up will be 6.
sir. I can't hear you. Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you by
Okay, I can hear
mistake.
you
It
now.
was the
Uh,
mute button was pressed by mistake. That's why you are not hearing. Otherwise,
okay.
it will. PE is 4 over 6. F. F event father in the middle. So just go for those outcomes
Mhm.
in which you see father in the
So,
middle. That is SFM,
and F.
SFM, and MFS.
Yes, sir.
These two. So PF is 2 over 6.
You'll get
Now we have to find PE intersect P E by F. For that, take E intersection F. E intersection F. What is common between these two? One is SFM,
SFM and MFS.
other is
MFS.
MFS.
So
So
two.
both are common P SFM and MFS.
Yes, sir.
That comes to PE intersection F comes to 2 over 6. Now PE by F, PE intersection F
By
over 3F.
yeah. Yes, sir. So
That
then
will be 2 over 6,
one.
2 over 6. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. We got the answer. That is 1.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11 we are going to do, but I'll just make you understand. Rest you have to do yourself
Got it, sir.
because we have to move to the other exercise as well today.
So could you just scroll up once?
Just a minute, dear. Just
Yes, sir.
give me some time to inhale and exhale.
Yes, sir.
Do work hard at home, give the examination with full confidence, and after examination, get good results and refer someone to me.
Yes, sir.
Because I have many students, most of my students are referred by someone who I taught. I have many students from the abroad, from almost 10 countries, South Africa, Nigeria, UK, US, Australia. Two students are from Australia, Dubai. They all are just referred by someone. Means I taught student, their cousins and other relatives living abroad. They have given reference.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
anyways. So question number 11 we are doing. A fair die is rolled. Consider events E, F, G. we have to find PE by F and PF by E. I think you can do yourself, isn't it?
Yes, just can you once scroll up to the formulas once? Because I think I'm not able. I think I may have written it wrong. Ah, yes, sir.
Yeah, this one. Note it down quickly.
Noting, sir.
However, this board is the board will be sent for sure. That's why I prefer this board because you can get PDF of it and then you can send your.
Yes, sir. That's more easy. Done, sir.
The
Wrote it down.
only thing is sometimes it stops working properly. That is due to some file means in .exe file or something is
Oh,
missing.
okay.
Then it happens. So PE over E by F and PF by E, that you can do yourself. Second part you can do yourself. Only third part I think you will get confused over there. So I am just going to make you understand the third part. P E union F by G by G for anything. So PE union F. E union F is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many elements are
There should be more, right, sir? Because we're taking E union F.
there? Okay, E union. So 1, 2, 3, 5, right?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 5. So how many are there? 4 elements.
4 elements, sir.
And die is being low. So total outcome 6.
6.
So 4 over 6.
Yep, sir.
Okay. We have E union F. Let's consider this. Let's consider this as let's say H.
Okay.
Okay. And this is what? 1, 2, 3, 5. So PH is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, PH is 4 over 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we consider E union F as H, then it will be like, it will be PH by G. Now what will be the formula to get it? It will be PH intersection G over PG. Okay.
Yes.
PH intersection G over PG. So H intersection G will be what? H is 1, 2, 3, 5 and G is 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
So H intersection G will be 2, 3, 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So P H intersection G will be 3 over 6 and PG will be 4 over 6. So answer is 3 over 4.
3 over 4.
Yes. And in another case, we have PE intersection F by G.
So you have to do P A by E by F.
First, you need to find PE intersection F, E intersection F intersection G. So first you need to find PE intersection F intersection G over PG. So if you take intersection of all these EFG, so you just need to check only 3 is common, isn't it?
Yes, only 3 is common.
So that will be 1 over 6. And PG is 4 over 6, isn't it? PG is 4 over 6.
It's a 4 over 6.
It is 1/4. That is the answer.
Okay.
We are going to do which question now? Question number 12 is important, so I am considering that question. However, it is quite easy,
Okay.
but I am
Well,
considering
assume that
this
we
question.
born child.
Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. If a family has two children, what is the probability that both are girls given that the youngest is a girl? So, simple space will be both girls, first girl, second boy, first boy, second girl, both boys. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, E event is both are girls. So we have to find PE over F. PE intersection F over PA. E is youngest is a girl. So youngest girl, how many outcomes are there?
GG and BG.
Yes. So 2/6.
Yes, sir.
Youngest girl. We have to take the what
How no?
we have to
How is
take
it
is the
2/6, sir?
we have to take listen to me. 2/6 is PE. We have to take the
How is it
intersection.
2/6? It'll be 2/4, right,
Because
sir? Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
yes, I can hear you,
Okay.
David.
Your voice is breaking, sir. That's why I got doubt.
2/4, not 2/6.
Yes, sir. I was confused. I was asking. That's why.
Both are girls and youngest is a girl.
Yes,
So
sir.
only one outcome is there. Both are girls and youngest is a girl. So only one outcome is there. So that will be 1/4
Yes.
divided by PF. F is youngest is girl. Youngest girl is, we have two cases. Okay. So
Yes.
that will be 2/4. Answer is 1/2. This is first case. Second case, PE over F. At least one girl and both are girls. At least one girl and both are girls. So just one case,
So yep. Yes.
that will be 1/4. And now at least one girl. At
So
least
three,
one
sir.
girl. How many cases are there? Three
Three
cases are
cases are there.
there. Means 3/4.
1/3 you'll get as the answer.
Yeah, answer is 1/3. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Question number 15. Just we need to understand orally, we will do it. Read it and tell me how you will be doing this one.
Consider the experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 comes up, throw the die again. And if another number comes up, toss a coin. Find the conditional probability of the event the coin shows a tail, given that at least one die shows a 3. Huh.
In conditional event,
So the sample.
we take intersection.
Hmm.
Can you get any intersection?
Intersection will be when the die shows a multiple of 3, then the coin will come also under that, right, sir? That'll be the intersection.
So is there anything common between tossing a coin and rolling a die? Will there be anything common?
I don't think so, sir, because it's only 2 possibilities and then
Then
there are
then
6
on
possibilities.
then secret lies in the answer itself. So check your answer and you will
Okay.
understand this yourself. If you check your answer, it will reveal all these secrets.
Checking, sir, 1 second. Zero.
That's why.
Because there's no
Because
possible.
yeah, there is no common
There's no common.
in conditional event in the numerator we have PE intersection F. Since there is no common at all, so probability of intersection is 0.
0.
So
Okay.
0 upon anything is 0. So
Yes.
need not to do this question, you just need to understand. But when this question was asked in the board exams, I remember that most of the students made a mistake.
Yes, sir. Because when you see it, the question is framed in such a way you think there's supposed to be an answer.
Okay. Now coming to independent events.
Independent. Okay. Next exercise.
Yes. Independent events. Independent events are those events in which PE intersection F is PE into PF. Any event, any such events, when probability of intersection of that is product of the individual probabilities.
Product of the individual. Okay.
Yes. Then we call it independent events. Okay.
So could you say that again?
So
Your voice broke. I couldn't understand.
PE intersection F
Yes.
is PE times PF.
Okay.
Then it is in. Then they are independent.
Oh, that is into, sir. That looks like minus. Okay.
It's into. It's not minus. Dot.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming back in 1 minute only.
Yes, I.
Continuing from independent events. So turnover exercise 13.2.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 13.2. It is all about independent events. Make sure while you do work at home, do the examples as well. Examples are more important than exercise questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we are doing exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. A box of oranges is inspected by examining 3 randomly selected oranges drawn without replacement. If all the 3 oranges are good, the box is approved for sale. Otherwise, it is rejected. Find the probability that a box containing 15 oranges out of which 12 are good and 3 are bad ones will be approved for sale. Okay,
Okay.
15 oranges are there, 12 are good and 3 are bad. 3 oranges are selected randomly
Hmm.
and they are all good and box is approved for sale. So, how many good oranges are there?
12
12 out of 15
out of 15. Yeah.
for the first orange. For the second orange, it is 11 over 14, isn't it? Because
Yes.
one good,
Yes, one has been removed.
yes. And from total number, one is removed. And again, 10 over 13.
Yes.
This should be the answer. This should be the answer. 4 over 5, 5 two times, 7. So 11 into 4 is 44 over 91. This will be the answer
Checking 1 second, sir.
of this question. Yes, you can check it. Even if you don't check it, almost all answers are saved into mind.
Yes, sir. It is correct.
I'm directly going to make you understand question number 11.
11. Okay.
Just a minute. Okay. Don't save this one. Don't save. Yes. Given two independent events A and B such that PA equals to 0.3, PB equals to 0.6, you need to find P and B. Why question number 11? Because if we do 11, then all the concepts before that will be clear.
What is and,
P
sir?
and means intersection.
Oh, okay.
So if these two events are independent, then it will be product of these two.
Yes, sir.
So 0.3 times 0.6 is 0.18. Second part, PA and not B. Not B means B complement.
Oh, okay.
This will be PA, PB dash. PB dash means P not B. PA and P not B means
PB.
1 minus
PB.
PB. 1 minus PB. PA 0.3. 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. That comes to 0.12. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Third part. P A or B. Or means union. That is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. And that will be PA. PA is PA. A 0.3, 0.6, 0.3, 0.6, and 0.18. A intersection B is 0.18. So 0.9 minus 0.18 will be 0.72. What do you say?
The
Fourth one,
yes, sir, it is.
72. Neither A nor B. Neither A
A dash.
nor B. A union B dash.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 minus PA union B. That is 1 minus 0.72 is 0.28.
Yes, sir.
These are the answers. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Question number 14 is important. So we are going to do question number 14. We are going to do question number 14.
Probability of solving specific problem independently by B, that A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
This question will be asked in the examination, Mr. David.
Okay.
Note it down.
Noting down, sir.
In 2 markers.
Okay. Correct.
Probability of solving specific problem independently by A and B are 1/2 and 1/3 respectively. Probability of solving problem means PA is 1/2, PB is 1/3, and PA intersection B is what?
Is solved.
It is
Problem is solved.
PA into PB. That is 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6.
Yes, sir.
If try to solve the problem independently, find the probability that problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Problem is solved means either A solves the problem or B solves the problem or both of them solve the problem. That is the case. A and B solve independently. Suppose David and John start solving a problem. They solve independently. They do not take help of each other. So it might be possible that David will solve problem. It is also possible that John will solve the problem, and it's possible that both of them solve the problem. So all these 3 cases comes under A or B.
Yes, sir.
That is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So we just plug into the values 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 1/6. That comes to 4/6. That is 2/3.
Yes,
And
sir.
second part, exactly one of them solves the problem. That means if A solves, then B does not.
Or
And if B solves, then A does not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So PA, this will be PA into PB dash.
Yes.
And this will be PB into PA dash.
Yeah, yes, sir.
That means PA is 1/2, PB dash 1 minus 1/3 plus PB is 1/3, PA dash 1 minus PA. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. We just substituted in the values in place.
1/2, 2/3 plus 1/3, 1/2. So 2/6 plus 1/6, 3/6, that is 1/. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the answer.
Sir,
In question number 15,
just one second, sir.
one,
Like in 1 minus 1 by 2, again we got 1 by 2, sir.
yes, we got 1 by 2.
Okay, yeah, no, got it. Correct, sir. I got it.
In question 15, one card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. In which of the following cases are the event P and the F independent? The card drawn is spade. How many spades are there? 13. So
15,
13
right?
over 52. How many spades are there? Spades.
15 spades.
15. How it is 15? It is 13, not 15.
Oh,
It
right.
is 13.
King
13 of each
counted.
suites.
Yeah, yeah.
13, 13 red heart, 13 diamond, 13 club, and 13 spades. So it is 13 over 52, that is 1 over 4.
Yes, sir.
The card drawn in is an S. How many S's are there? 4. So
4
4
aces.
over 52, that is 1 over 13.
Yes, sir.
And what is common between them?
Between
1.
which, 1, sir.
1 over 52. So probability is 1 over 52. Is it 1 over 52?
Yes, sir, because
1
there's
over
only
13. Yes. Yes. 1 over
one
13
ace
into.
in the spade, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
So they are independent event. You just need to check by multiplying, get the individual probability and then multiply them. If intersection of them and multiplication of them are equal, then they are independent. Means find E in PE intersection F. If it is equal to PE into PF, then they are independent. As simple as that.
So then 1 is independent, right, sir?
Yes. We are going to do question number 16. Then today's session we will over. You and I'll schedule your class once you send me the work, boss. If you do not send me the work, I will not schedule your class
Yes, sir.
because it's too necessary. I am doing my best. I am putting all my efforts to complete your work, complete your syllabus. But that will go in vain if you do not do work at home. In a hostel, 60% of the students read in Hindi newspaper. So PH is 60%, 60 over 100. That is 0.6.
Yes, sir.
And PE, probability of reading English newspaper,
0.4.
0.4. 0.4. Yes. And 20% read both Hindi and English. So PH intersection E is 0.2. A student is selected at random. Find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. A part neither Hindi nor English means complement of union. Either or, the complement of either or is neither nor. So we first have to find PH union. That is PH plus PE minus PH intersection E. That comes to 0.6, 0.4 minus 0.2. That comes to 0.8.
Yep.
And what is PH union E dash equals to 1 minus PH union E. That comes to 1 minus 0.8 equals to 0.2. Yes. Now B part. B part. If she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. If shows the condition.
She already
Listen
reads.
to me carefully. Listen to me carefully.
Oh, yeah, sorry, sir.
If the word starts with if, provided, given that shows the condition, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
So the part which shows the condition will comes after, after this oblique. Okay, PA by B means B will come.
After. Okay, got it.
Yes. So if she reads Hindi newspaper, so Hindi will come after the oblique. Find the probability that she reads English newspaper. So PE by H. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Most of the students get confused taking this one. They come happily when asked in the examination. That's sir, it was correct. I did it. And when I asked them, what did you do there? What was your answer? They did it wrongly. They determined H by E in place of E by H. So conditional clause condition will come after oblique sign,
Yes, sir.
and the answer will be completely different. PE intersection H over PH. PE intersection H is 0.2 and PH is 0.4. That comes to 1 over 2. C part. If she reads English, then she reads Hindi. So it is PH by E.
Yes, sir.
PH intersection E over PE.
EE.
So 0.2 over 0.6 comes to 1 over 3. These are the answers.
Yes.
So
Is the A1 completed, sir? After that?
yes,
Okay.
yes. So just one exercise is remaining. Tomorrow it is going to be completed. Why not today? Because this is most important exercise which carries 5 marks individually.
5 marks. Okay.
So yes, I want you to complete all your work till today evening, today night. I
Yes,
don't care if you wake up the whole night,
yes,
but
sir.
make sure you do your work.
Understood, sir.